What is up, Express crew? I'm Steven, and today we're going to be diving into the entire world of the Ghibli art. So let's show you how to create stunning Ghibli-inspired images using free AI image generators. Now, there's no drawing skills required, and the process is actually going to be really simple. So to get started, first of all, you might be understanding what does the Studio Ghibli's films are renowned for their breathtaking visuals and the lush landscapes. So you can capture that by making your own creations using the power of the artificial intelligence. For this process, we're going to be using 3 AI image generators so you can see the difference between which one is best. So we're going to be using Gemini, the artificial intelligence created with the Google Assistant. The next one is going to be ChatGPT. This one is going to be generated and created with OpenAI. And the last one, the Prom AI. Prom AI is a really great application that can be helping you to generate this kind of, in this case, this Ghibli effect. And of course, you might need a subscription in here, but you don't have to worry about it because you have the link down below in the description. And with the link, with this code, you can be generating a few images totally for free. So the key to getting a fantastic Ghibli art is crafting effective prompts. So a few tips is, for example, describe the scene, the characters, and the mood and details. You can use the Ghibli-related keywords, for example, include terms like Studio Ghibli style, Heyo, Miyazaki anime. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add an image. I'm going to go here for downloads, and I'm going to select this image. So this is the image that I'm going to be using, right? Then let's generate an actual description of it. So we can visualize a Ghibli scene. I'll be using this Gemini to generate this element. So to get started, first of all, I'm going to be creating a course. Let's say made this image or convert or merge this image in Ghibli style. I'm going to hit comma, and then what I'm going to be doing here is to create this image in Studio Ghibli style. Soft, really important. And if you wanted to mention some lighting and color, for example, warm sunset, soft pastel colors, describe the environment, for example, mention forest, meadows, villages, or Ghibli's key settings, you can do it. So let's try it out only with anime, Heyo, Miyazaki, and watercolor or soft lighting. Really important to finish with style. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and meanwhile the Gemini is going to be generating the image of this. I'm going to hit into ChatGPT, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to use the same image. Now the last thing to do is to do it here into Prom AI. Now, the ChatGPT tells us that there's a political infraction here, so we might not be able to use the name of Hayao Miyazaki, who's the actual creator of this generator. So I'm going to be just making the prompt much more easier, which is making the image in Studio Ghibli style. So just use this prompt and do exactly the same thing. So ChatGPT generates something really amazing. Into Prom AI generated something more, in this case like a sketch, and Gemini has a little bit of trouble to creating their own actual image. So for the third option, just in case Gemini doesn't work for you, we can try out with Copilot. So there are a lot of artificial intelligence elements that usually done whatever they wanted to. So I think that we have used 4 different AI, different tools, and I think that the best answer for what we are looking for is exactly the ChatGPT. So you can see it does generate something really awesome. Speak about the Ghibli Studios elements for memes and all of that. Everything is just generated here into the artificial intelligence, and basically that's what we're actually looking for. So as you can see, guys, it's going to be really easily to generate stuff here for ChatGPT. We can try out with another image if you wanted just to make sure that this one actually does a really great work. So for example, let's go for this one and used exactly the same prompt. Copy and paste, and here's my new image. Now we have more background. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cactus in here with different styles. And basically, that's what it's going to be doing our own generation of the image. Just wait a few seconds here. In this case, I believe the Prom AI, Copilot, and Gemini did a really great work, but ChatGPT does really great work. So I think this one is going to be really awesome for us, and we're going to stick around with the ChatGPT. So if you find this guide helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to ChatExpress. Thank you so much for watching the video. What kind of Ghibli scenes are you going to create? You can let us know into the comments below, and you can of course tell us what are your thoughts with these other artificial intelligence images generator tools. So thank you once again for watching this video, guys, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time. See you soon.